Egg in a hole, croque madame. You'll need some bread, ham, Gruyere cheese, an egg, some butter, some flour for the bechamel. Now whisk together equal parts butter and flour. Then slowly whisk in your milk until you have reached the desired thickness. Add salt, pepper, and a little bit of grated nutmeg. Now set that aside for later. Spread butter on one side of your bread slice with the hole in it. Crack an egg into a small bowl and gently place it inside the hole in the bread. And add a little more butter. And don't forget the hole. Once it has become a golden brown, flip your slice of bread with the egg in it. Then start your second slice of bread. Add your ham, your Gruyere, and top with your egg in a hole slice. And then finish off with your bechamel sauce. Then place the sandwich under a broiler set on high for a couple minutes. And here you have your egg in a hole, croque madame. And that was a delicious bite.